Hello and welcome. This is my review of DC Simracing's the dc2 pedals. They finally arrived, and the UPS just came with them for just like 10 minutes ago, and I would just do a very short quick unboxing of the content of the box, and then we'll be looking into the pedals themselves. Yeah, let's just rip in the package and see what we get. There definitely, DC Simracing has definitely what interests me every time I open these packages is how they ship and package these boxes. Unboxing is always fun. I'm sorry for the shaking of the camera, so if it shakes, bear with me. Alright, some protective foam, as you can see, very nice protective foam. And by the get-go, oh Jesus Christ, this is a big, very heavy mounting plate. This sucker is heavy, wow. Okay, let me, as you could hear, that sucker is, that was surprising. That was surprisingly heavy. All right, another protective foam. Away with that. In here, we get a USB, ordinary USB cable. What is it? Is it USB cable? Yeah, high quality USB cable. Sticker. Away with that. Then in here, now this is a DC2, so this basically means that this is a 2-pedal configuration. In here, this is the mounting for the controller box that is squeezed down here. See if we can get it. All right, need to help it a little bit. These are tightly, firmly packaged, which is quite nice to see that they just don't jump up and down in the box. Very nice engineered, very nice. This is 3D printed, as I can see. Looks good. I like these small finishes. Makes this just look a little bit extra sexy. I like these small things. Brake indicator, so the brake goes in the middle. All right. Let's see. Take this one off the top. Anything more in here? Nope. Boring. The throttle pedal, definitely out of stainless steel. Very high quality, as you can see, very firmly strong. This one is with the magnetic hole sensor. I like this extra little touch down here with the this is a fuel hose, so you don't get this clunking sound when you push it down. When you hit metal versus metal, you get, if you can see, all this sun here in Denmark is very, but yeah, a few adjustability opportunities, so you can move it forwards, backwards, tilt it forwards, Yeah, nothing much to say about it. Even it's industrial, very strong, sturdy. I like that. Looks industrial looks. I like it. It's not painted. It's not pretty. It's just a pedal. That's it. And then we have the brake pedal. The brake pedal is a load cell. The load cell sits down here, as you can see on the video, and then you have these two elastometers. Let me see, there you go. And then you have these adjustable free travel that is spring based, and then you can compress it. Yep, but we will definitely be looking for further into that. Nothing much to say though. Again, it is just a pedal. What I am more curious about is how the pedal performs when we get everything mounted and hooked up. Again, good looking pedal, very nice. I really do like these industrial looks. There hasn't been a designer or somebody who is trying to make things look pretty. It's industrial, it's heavy duty, and you can definitely see that this is meant to last. It's not, there's nothing much to say about it. I do adore these engineering looks. You can definitely see that there is a person behind this that has been spending a lot of time just to make more form and function than making it pretty. So yeah, put this one to the side as well. I have so much mess on my desk, so let's see what's more in here. There is a little box. What's in the box? Oh, there we go. Little extras. There is other elastometers, so we can make it even harder. Make the brake even harder. There is some lubricant and there is some extra grease, few extra spare parts, and a little bit of tools for the mounting. And then there is a lot of bolts, bits and pieces for mounting the pedals to your pedal plate. And this is also some heavy duty. You can definitely, I don't know, let's see if we can take one of these out so I can just show you, because these bits and pieces are seriously some heavy duty stuff. This is not for the average Joe. This is some heavy duty stuff. I am in fact very surprised that this is as heavy as it is, but all tools, all bits and pieces, washers, everything is in here. Very nice packed, professionally packed in fact. It's just, and you can see it's even templated out, so the third pedal would have been going in here. A bit more, well, this is definitely going to go to the kids so they can go smash each other up while I test these pedals. That's basically the content of the box. I'm not going to chat too much about all these small bits and pieces. What I am definitely looking forward to is to see and try a load set pedal. I'm going from a potentiometer pedal. A lot of my sim racing friends has been yapping on about these load cell pedals, so I'm definitely looking forward to see what it's all about with these load cell pedals. So I'm going to go mount these babies up on this massive heavy duty brake plate, heavy duty mounting plate, and I'll see you next when we when I go through the software and get on the track.